shit! Can I help you? Oh, you're here for the show. Piece of metal in the microwave. There we go. Not sure if anything will happen, but let's see. Something's happening. Alright, something electrically is happening. Alright. Something was happening in there. Okay. God damn! Microwave some monster, I guess. Throw in some candles. Sorry guys, technical difficulty. Fucking so lonely. I was just gonna fucking burn. I didn't want that. Let me go unplug it, it'll stop the flame. Oh shit. Bad microwave. Oh shit. Everyone say bad microwave. How dare this microwave catch on fire? I should be a firefighter. Watch out, cameraman. Oh shit, now I broke it even more. Gotta put the fire out. It's burning. A responsible guy. 1 second. There. You guys might want to turn away for this. Cameraman, keep away. Why is it not putting it out? That was... I did not have much left in me.
That's definitely on fire.
Watch out, cameraman.
Oh my god.
Fuck! Now the fucking wire came off, guys. Damn. I have to walk my ass in there and get it. For you guys, I'll do it. Holy fuck!
Here still.
Don't worry, I'll get it. Oh, gee. Alright, that's it. Fuck that. See you guys later in the next video. Oh my god!